So you're left with old skin and then old skin, right? And my cat doesn't need any anti-aging, but it's actually very optional to put moisturizer on because I don't put moisturizer on. Hey guys, welcome back to the Cotton channel. So today we'll be talking about my anti-aging skincare routine. So I'm actually in my 30s and then there are a lot of fine lines coming out. Well, definitely know, like when you step into your 30s, right, even in your late 20s, right, you'll realize that you have a lot of fine lines and then you will start having wrinkles and all this stuff, dark spots, freckles, like all the funny stuff, dry skin and all this stuff. And then I realized that I really need to take care of my skin. And these are my 4 anti-aging routine, which is actually very simple. So you just need to do this at night, and then in the morning you just need toner and probably a moisturizer and stuff like that. And my cat doesn't need any anti-aging. So here I have with me is glycolic acid, which is 7% glycolic acid. This is an AHA. AHA is like an alpha hydroxy acid. So what this does is it removes your dead skin. So you know, like sometimes our skin is like very dull, like it just look very sad and then very dead. So what this does, it removes the dullness from your skin and makes your skin smooth. And you won't be able to see that because my cat is actually at the screen. So you just need to put a bit, and then all you need to do is just, you don't even need to scrub it. So this is like scrubbing your skin, but instead of scrubbing, you just need to apply like a thin layer of kind of like a toner. This is actually a very cheap brand and it's actually a very good brand as well. So you just need to apply this and you don't have to wash this off. Okay, so this acts as a toner and it also exfoliates your skin very lightly. So you can do this like every single night and then you will just end up with very smooth, shiny skin. And then the next thing I like to do is I like to put hyaluronic acid, which is something that is also optional. So what this does is it gives your skin more elasticity and it moisturizes your skin. So you just put like this, and this will make your skin shine and very smooth and very soft. So that's simple. And then the next thing that I really like to do, and this is actually, this is Retinoid 5%. Okay, Retinoid is basically one of the best anti-aging product ingredient in the world. So what Retinoid does is that, so let's say your skin, right, it will take like, let's say 21 days to renew, right, to like exfoliate out and then after that renew to a new skin, right? But as you age, right, your skin turnover rate will be slower. So instead of taking 21 days, maybe it might take 28 days or maybe 30 something days. So you're left with old skin and then old skin, right? And then Retinoid actually helps you remove those skin faster. So your skin will grow faster and then you will have a smooth baby skin and then wrinkle free. So it's very easy as well. You just need a very small amount of this. And then you just apply, especially on places where you will have wrinkle. You can just tap it because I'm using small amount. You can just tap it. And this will actually help your skin remove wrinkle. And I've actually used this for like a few months, like 2 months I think. And it actually works. It actually does work. And then I realized that I do have very, very lesser fine lines. And then at the end, you would want to put moisturizer on, but it's actually very optional to put moisturizer on because I don't put moisturizer on. And this is a natural moisturizing factor HA plus hyaluronic acid. So just a bit of this. So natural moisturizing factor is like one of the best moisturizing combination. They have actually ingredients in it that I just wouldn't want to explain in technical terms because it will be boring. But this is like the best, one of the best in the industry that will make your skin like super smooth. Like you see. So yep, this is the simple 4-step anti-aging routine, which you can actually minimize this to like maybe 2 steps or maybe 2 steps. I would say the easiest one is actually to just use retinoid. Just use retinoid and then just use hyaluronic acid or moisturizer. Just 2 steps, and then you'll be able to get baby smooth skin, hopefully, if you have not aged too much. So yep, if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section, and I hope to see you guys in the next video again. Bye bye.